Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can Extreme Z battle AGL Turles Giant Ape in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle. So I made this video is for new player that still confused how you can Extreme Z battle or sub Extreme Z battle character. So this new battle is the villain, the Turles. And let's get start to the team. I mean stop the news update. So I made this video. If you have the giant app of Turles, let's scroll down, and this one, tap this one. Mainly this Extreme Z battle is for Turles, but you can get the sub EZA is this one, the Turles Giant Ape. You can Extreme Z this character if you have maximum level 140 and maximum super attack level is 15. And also the passive skill is change. Little leader skill, also the super attack greatly raise attack for one turn and cause supreme damage with high chance of stunning. So this character is pretty useful for super battle road. And let's check it out. If I have this character type, you are extreme and AGL, you can use this filter also. Tap OK. Sorry, let's try this one. And this one, I do have 120 of this Turles. I can de-awakening this character, this one awaken, and I need this medal, Turles medal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. Enjoy the game.